Hi everyone, I'm Katie Hart, the channel's art maker. Please subscribe, please leave your comments, and do not forget to share with your friends and family members. Thank you. Welcome to Art Backgrounds. This is red fireworks with the smoke white cloud. We are listening to Tokyo Jazz. So for the fireworks, I did the lines with the little firework balls before they go off. I think this one turned out amazing. Happy July 1st. This is what I'm going to be doing for art backgrounds for a little bit because fireworks have so many colors. And I couldn't have thought of a better idea. So I really wanted to do fireworks since fireworks are super cool, pretty, and magnificent. Love them. So I think the red ones turned out good. I love this. This is awesome. We're going to be listening to the music. It's very beautiful. So it's Tokyo Coffee Music Jazz. I hope everybody has a really good July the 1st. In 2025. Nice. Love this. This is awesome. I'll definitely be doing more of the fireworks. Maybe use different art supplies. I used my white pen and I used my red Sharpie Creative marker. The Sino Uniball pen is the white pen I used. Really good brand if you want to make really pretty white anything. You do smoke, you can do clouds, you can do a lot of things with it. I actually love doing it for normal backgrounds. It makes moons better. It makes everything look really cool. I really love how this looks. This looks like 4th of July to me. I think for the next one I'll do... I had to think about that. I think I'm going to do a dark blue firework. Thank you everybody for watching. Katie Hart, out.